Welcome to Bash Scripting Complete Video Course 2nd edition. This course teaches you all you need to know about Bash shell scripts, an invaluable skill that helps you to work in a more efficient way with the shell on Linux, different Unix versions, including macOS, as well as the Windows subsystem for Linux. Even if different solutions for automating work on operating systems have been introduced, and even if more advanced scripting languages such as Python have become common, Bash scripting is still an essential skill to automate tasks on almost any operating system. The Bash shell is based on the Bourne shell, which was introduced in Unix in the early 1970s. Bash has become the de facto standard in shell scripts, which means that even if newer shells have been introduced, such as ZSH, and even if your Unix system may be using Korn shell instead of Bash, Bash scripts can be used on any platform. This makes Bash the #1 scripting solution to use on any Linux or Unix-like operating system. While developing the contents of this course, my priority has been to make it accessible to anyone. No preliminary knowledge about Linux is required. I have organized the contents of this course into 13 lessons. At the end of each lesson, you'll find a lab as well as a lab solution, which will help you practice your newly acquired skills. The lessons are grouped into 4 different modules, which makes it easy to get started with the topics that best meet your current experience and skill level. The first module covers topics you should need to know about before you even start to write your first shell script. Its lessons show you how to install the platform of your choice to get started with the Bash shell and a bit about the way Bash is used. Module 1 also explores which solutions are provided by Bash to make working in the shell more efficient. And at the end of this module, you will learn about using shell scripts in a DevOps environment and how to use essential Linux tools that are commonly used in shell scripts. In the second module, you'll learn about shell scripting fundamentals. This module has 3 lessons, which cover all you need to know to write a decent shell script, without going into advanced structures yet. You'll start by learning how to create your first shell script. Then we'll cover working with variables and arguments, and at the end of module 2, you'll learn how to transform input. The third module is all about conditional statements, and it has 2 lessons. The first of these explains all you need to know about if-then-else, and the second covers all other Bash conditionals and looping structures that can be used in Bash. The fourth and last module explains advanced scripting solutions. You'll first learn about cool advanced options, such as working with command line options, functions, menus and trap. And next there's a dedicated lesson about using arrays. Then we'll talk about Bash scripting best practices and debugging. And in the last lesson in this module, you'll explore some cool shell scripts. Before getting started, let me tell you a bit about myself. My name is Sander van Vught. I live in the Netherlands and I'm an instructor as well as an author. I like explaining technical stuff, and I do that in video courses, books, live online classes, as well through in-person face-to-face classes. I have written more than 65 books and authored over 35 video courses so far, with a focus on core open source technologies, such as Linux, Kubernetes and Ansible. I'm looking forward to teaching you all about Bash scripting in this course, so let's wait no longer and get started.